Global Stage.
Hi, I want to welcome you to the global stage. Jesus Christ is the same yesterday, today, and forever. I'm Dr. Ray. Let's talk about bananas and the link to cancer protection. Bananas are filled with so much of potassium and magnesium, which are good for our cardiovascular system. And there are three main stages of maturity of bananas. And interestingly, the stage of maturity of bananas where most of us don't like to take is the powerhouse of antioxidants that slow down oxidative stress by destroying these free radicals. The first stage is when it is green, and this is the stage where you get a lot of the resistant starch, and that means you don't have a lot of sugar in those bananas. And those resistant starch act as prebiotics, and these prebiotics feed our microbiomes and our probiotics, and which in turn make our immune system very strong. And most people who are concerned about their glucose level prefer to eat bananas at this green state so they don't get a lot of sugar spikes in their system, predisposing them to diabetes. The second stage is when it starts to change into yellow color, and that means the resistant starch in the bananas are starting to break down into more sugar, and it gets more delicious than the green type. And the last stage is when these yellow bananas continue to ripe and you start to see dark freckles or tiny darker spots on the bananas, and they get even more softer and sweeter, and at this stage it does not look appealing to the eyes, and most people don't prefer to take them because it is getting closer to their end. But the beautiful thing about these spotted dark bananas is that they are so rich in antioxidants than in the green and yellow states of the bananas. And clinical studies have shown that the darker spotted bananas have cancer prevention properties. Those dark spots have been linked to tumor necrosis factors, which functions to destroy tumors, and the breakdown of chlorophyll is the reason why antioxidant levels increase as the bananas age, as you see those dark spots. They are a powerhouse of antioxidant destroying these free radicals responsible for quick aging and the development of cancer cells, and they fight cancers at their initial stages. Kindly take a few seconds and like this video so it can reach many people as possible. Thank you. So how do we get this benefit without ever worrying about sugar spikes? Very simple. Number one, it can be added to some fibers such as chia seeds, flax seeds, cinnamon powder, or any healthy fat such as peanut butter, because this will slow down your digestion and absorption of sugar into the cell so you don't increase your insulin resistance. The other way is it can be added to your cakes, pancakes, muffins, and breads instead of using white or processed sugar for these delicacies. So hey, if you have not been eating the dark spotted bananas, now is the time to do so. You will be preventing or reducing your risk of ever having any cancer of the body. In the description below, I have put the links to the researches on the anti-cancer protection properties of dark spotted bananas. Check them out. And tell us in the comment section below this video about your experience with bananas. Which of the states do you prefer to eat most and why? And always remember that God wants you healthy. God bless you.